right. Video, I'm going to be showing you how to make $20 every 5 minutes. I'm going to be showing you how to make $20 every 5 minutes. You're welcome to this channel. If you are just joining this channel, I will advise you to do something wonderful. Just smash the YouTube subscription button, click on the bell notification, and don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video so that a lot of more people will be able to benefit from what we are trying to share in this channel. So I'm going to be taking you through the journey of how you can start making $20 every 5 minutes. How you can be making consistent $20 every 5 minutes. Let's go. So the first step that I'm going to do is to go to Google. Well, what I wanted to share with you here, it requires zero skill. So it doesn't require any goddamn skill. So all you need to do is to make use of or to leverage on Google Translate, and I'll be showing you how to make the money. So assuming I'm trying, so while we are going to be using Google Translate so to make the money, and I'm going to be showing you where you are going to set the scale. Because it's even I can't even call it a scale because if you can talk, if you can speak, so that is a natural scale. It's a God gifted scale from God Almighty, and you can leverage on it and transform this wonderful scale to a quiet money making. I'll be making money even in your bedroom. So let's say we want to translate from English. Okay, let's want to translate from English now. English. So we are going to be translating. Okay, let me quickly go directly to Google Translate page. Okay. Okay. So this is where we are going to be doing the magic. So we are going to be doing the magic. Yep. So we are going to be translating from. Okay, I'm going to be translating. Let me change the language to English. English. Okay. I don't want to waste your time. I don't want to. Okay. It will definitely. I don't want. Okay. Let me choose English now. Okay. Okay. That is if I want to type. I actually want this thing to be showing in English. So, but notwithstanding. So let's say I'm trying to. I want to do a translate from English language to, let's say, Spanish. This is Spanish language. So don't mind they are using my Yoruba language to 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 show the meaning of what is displaying onto me. So, but that's not the topic for today. So I'll be using this is the guess it means English language. So there are a lot of people out there who want to translate their language into another language, and they are ready to pay you. They don't know how to translate, they don't know, maybe they don't know how to use Google Translate to make money. So that's where what we are going to be doing right in this video. So assuming now I want to translate, even if you have a test to translate, you can just